Welcome back everyone. In this amazing video, what you're about to see is a new app that we've added to our collection, which is an AI image to comic. You can take any image that you have on your computer and make full-length comic strips of the image, which basically means you just upload an image. It doesn't matter what type of image. It could be a woman, it could be a chick, it could be a lion, it could be a kid, it could be a cow, it could be anything you want. And then you describe the main character. You can upload any image you want and then type what you want it to look like in all the images. And remember, the goal is character consistency, and the goal is also to have as many pictures as possible that look all similar. So we already have a book generation app. For those of you who don't know, if you click on select an app and then click on book, you'll find our book creators, which literally create entire books in one click. Whether it's a children's book, a coloring book, or regular book, that's all available. But this specific app is more for the people who want to create other types of images. For example, if it's a Japanese anime kind of books, or a comic book, or photographic, which basically means if you clicked on this, it would be exactly the same as the actual image itself. You could just manipulate the image in many ways. Line art, cinematic, that's basically, it's your choice what you want to do with each and every one of these images. So let's start with one of these and let's just see exactly how this works. So in this specific example, we uploaded a picture of a chick, and you describe the main character, cute yellow baby chicken, just to help the AI get it right first time. Then you describe each scene, delimiting with a comma. So as you can see, each comma here creates a new page or a new image. So I wrote wakes up in the morning, walks across the road, comma, goes to find food, goes for a swim, eats some food, and goes to sleep. So what I'm going to get is this kind of imagery. This is wakes up in the morning. This is the next one. This is the next one. This is going for a swim. This is when they find food, and this is when it goes to sleep. So as you can see, this is working really well character consistency wise, and it's creating all the images in one go. Let's go to the next one. So here we have a lion, and I wrote this is the each scene. Wakes up, runs to find food, finds food, eats the food, goes to sleep. You only need to fill in this. Whenever you add something here, you'll note that it adds an extra one down here. So goes home, for example, we'll just add it to the list here. This will just make it more organized for you to see what images you're creating. So here are the images you can see. So as you can see, it's a bit annoying that he's eating with blood, but as you know, usually lions eat things that have blood with them, so that makes sense. But you could obviously make a new image which doesn't have an image of blood. You can download all the images by clicking this button, or download each image by clicking this. You can delete an image by clicking this, but these images are not stored on our servers. You can just download them as you go. Let's move on to the next one. So here's this kid over here, which we uploaded. Boy with green clothing. We specifically told it to have green clothing because we wanted to demonstrate to you what you can do with this app. So as you can see, the character consistency is amazing. We wrote just 3 images, but you could have added as many as you want, and you'll get very, very, very good character consistency. The options for imaging are Japanese anime, cinematic, Disney character, photographic, comic book, and line art. I don't recommend line art. It doesn't work so well, but the rest of them work amazingly. Let's move on to the next example and show you some of the other options and see how they work. So this was the woman that we uploaded, woman wearing all white, wakes up, goes to work, types on a keyboard. So she's woken up here, going to work here, typing on a keyboard here. And let's go on to the next image. So for this one, we did woman wearing red, and then this is the photographic option. So the one before this was, let me just check, I think it was cinematic. Yeah, cinematic makes the person look very like cinematic, very, very high quality kind of imagery, whereas the photographic looks a little bit less. So women wearing all red, wakes up from bed, closes the door to her house, goes to work, and then finds money on the floor. And you can see the color is all consistent. You also get an additional image, which is a kind of like a comic book type image. If I click on that right now, just to show you, this image here will have all the images in one. You also get one of these. This is included. This doesn't cost anything extra, but it's not really so useful. You're going to have to kind of do your own editing when it comes to these images. But the idea of this app is basically to be able to use, to get really, really good character consistency. We're testing the functionality, hopefully to implement it into our storybook generator in the near future. But it seems to be working very, very, very well. So thank you for watching our this episode. wearegenerate.net, spelled like this. We have tons and tons of apps, whether it's text app, image apps, audio apps, book creation apps, and even now a video app. But for now, we're focusing on the book apps to try and perfect them so that you can make some money online. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.